What's up, everybody? Today we are going to do our very first unboxing. We got this package sent to us by YouTube last day of the year, so we're gonna unbox it. Azim is very excited. YouTube silver play button presented to the Mirza 5 for passing. How many? 100,000 subscribers. And now we have 3. The first was Bumgar Empire. Then Bumgar Empire Shorts, our second channel. And now the Mirza 5, which is our family channel. Which one do I like best? It's gotta be this one, because this is us.
Thank you to YouTube and thank you